Hello everyone. So in today's video we are going to be discussing how to design a seller's store page using the help of CSS, HTML, Bootstrap and JavaScript. So let's go. So here we have a my eShop drop down menu here, and here we go into uh, our products, and here we have a product. So here we have a different header here this time. So we haven't used the header.php document here. So we have just created a different header, uh, and we have my products written here, and we have our logo and a first name and our email mentioned here. Other than for this, we have a small div here. So in this box, we can sort our products or filter them according to active time, and we have added a break line here, a horizontal line, and we can sort it by oldest to newest. Then we can choose by quantity. We have another horizontal line, highest high to low, and by a condition, brand new or used. So that is that. And we have two buttons to sort and clear. So once we click sort, we will be getting relevant to this. If we click clear, all our choices here will be cleared. We haven't programmed that part yet, but we are yet to move into it. And here, which we have here, is our card. So in here we have the product name, the price, the number of items left, and the status of our product. So right now it's active, and there is a small check radio button here, which we can slide here to make it inactive. That is why it's in gray. And then we can update our ad, or we can delete it if we want to. And then we have a navigation bar here, so we can, so if there is like a list of products which go all the way down uh, in this page, at a certain point there'll be like, let's say we'll be hitting a limit of 15 products per page. So then we have to go to our second page and to a third page. So likewise, this hasn't been programmed yet. Once it is programmed yet, when we click 2, we will be getting another set of results. So yeah, that is it for our sellers sellers products page. Let's move on to the code to discuss how we created this. So here we are at our code, and this is our header.php document, and we had created our drop down before, and like we had linked our my profile document to user profile.php, we have the linked products or my products, this drop down to our page, my products.php. So once we click on the button, we will be taken to the page containing all the items in this. So let's move on to my products.php. So this is our code here. We have added a language UTF-8 and meta name, and here are the files which we need: the Bootstrap CSS, the Bootstrap icons, our own style.css, and we have added our logo here to the head of our document, and we have given the title my products slash my product stroke eShop, and our background color we have given it as off white, a gray color, which we have here. And here we have created a set of divs. Here we can see that we have given a class container fluid row, and then we have created our header, the one which we saw in blue before. And we've given classes column 12 background primary, which gave a blue color. Then we've set it as a row, and then we've set it as column 12 for large devices and call large 4 for small devices. So large 4 is like a third of our screen. Then we have it in row. uh, then we have called column 12, column large 4, uh, a margin top of 1, a margin bottom of 1, text center, and here we have a new user icon. We have a width and height set for this, and our class which gave a rounded image, so rounded circle, and then we have under that we created another div, and we gave it as a row text center text large start, so in the large screen starts at the center. Here again the column size is 12, margin top is 0, margin top on large screen is 4, and we have added the span tag, and here our name is added, but for now I just added my name without adding a program part of a program values of a PHP, else I'll have to use if name and a name here, and here I'll have to use my email, but I've just added the values completely. And then moving on, we saw the my products on top of our header in our web page. Then on our right we had a yellow button saying add product, and then here our header ends, and we move on to our body. This is also made in another set of divs, and here we've added a filter, and in this next one we've given a column 11, column large 2, the margin from our x-axis as 3, from our y-axis as 3 as well, horizontal and vertical, and we've given the border primary, and we've given a slightly rounded shape. So our primary border gave the blue color around our sort products border, and moving on, we saw the name sort products, and then here we have added a input field, and we had a placeholder saying search, and this is added to the form control, and here we had a search icon added. We had a small magnifying glass, so we took it from this icon using the help of the bootstrap icons file we added before to our document. Then we have added the topic saying active time, and then we go on to our next column and added a horizontal line of width 80%, and then we have column 12 form check, then form check input radio, we've given the name R1 and the ID N, and we've labeled the label class form check label for the same ID, and we have newest to oldest, oldest to newest. The same way we create a new label for quantity, and here we added a different name, so here we are using R2, so the choices will be between high to low and low to high, and we can only click either one of these two at the same time. And then we have by condition as our next one, and then we have a horizontal line, and then here we have R3 as our name for these choices, so it's between brand new and used. And at the bottom of the page we had two buttons we have created using the help of divs again. So the column size 12, text at the center, margin top 3, margin bottom 3, it's in row with a gutter spacing of 2, and here we have created a button, green button using button success, and the font weight bold for sort, and a button primary with the font weight bold for clear, so another blue button. And then here we've gone on to our filter ends here, and we've gone on to our product, and here we've added a number of divs here called 12 large, call large 9, margin top 3, margin bottom 3, and background color white, row. Then we added an offset column 10, and we have added a text in the center, row justify content center, and then we've gone to our card, Our card is the one where we saw the details of our iPhone, and in the card we have added these classes: margin bottom 3, margin top 3, column 12, column large 6, and we have made a set of divs there, and we've added our image source here, and we've given in the class image fluid rounded star, so it will have a rounded like shape around it. And here for the medium devices we've given a column space of 8, and we move on to the card body. So here we have the title of our card, and then we've added the class card text and added the price in a bold font weight. And next we've gone with a green bold font weight to notify or to display the number of items left. And we have a form switch here. So here we can switch our product to inactive. So the ID given for it was FD, and it was a switch. So to deactivate it, and we go into our next row. We were able to see that red and green buttons. So here we had update, and we got it because of our button success from Bootstrap, and red button danger, D for delete, and that's the end of our card, and it ends here. And then at the bottom of underneath our card, we had a navigation setup. So with the offset value of 2 for small devices and offset of 3 for large devices, column space in 8, column large 6, text center and margin bottom 3. We move on, and so we've given a class pagination large, and we have justified our content to the center, so the page items are disabled. And here we have added the link, and we can see a previous button, and here are the href to our other pages and the products. So we have currently added a hashtag because we have added more products so that we can go to new pages. And then we have the same thing for our next button as well. So I think we can add the area label next, and we will be getting the next value besides our number 3 towards our right. And our product ends here, and our body ends here. We have a JavaScript file which we added to this project, and I think that is it for this video. Thank you for watching.